Hello everyone, in this short video tutorial I will show you how to install Viber Messenger on your mobile phone without notifying contact by following these steps. You will install Viber Incognito without message to your contacts. Okay, go to Google Play. I change mobile phones very often and it could be very irritating. Every time I install Viber, my contacts are notified that I'm new on network. I want to install Viber Incognito. So this is solution. Just wait to install. You're looking for a progress bar. It should take you a few minutes. Just be patient. So the installation is finished. Just press open. Start now. And you have to type your phone number. Press continue. Yes. And this is a crucial moment. Every you have to do is to disable every permission including contacts. So press deny, not allow, and once more deny, and waiting for the message to activate Viber. Okay, job is done. Just press skip and once again press deny, once more deny. Okay, now your application is installed. Just go to application section on settings, find Viber, okay, and start permission by yourself. Okay, the crucial thing is to disable contacts permission, but I disable every permission in security reason, and now your Viber is ready to start, but no one from your contact list is not notified that are you new on network. Thanks for watching. Bye.